We're in Palermo and we're going to eat our way through the markets and all the lovely little shops that surround it. Let's go. Everybody, all the fish sellers, all the vegetable sellers, they all say, come here to this place for Panelle. So that's what we've done. Absolute silence as they eat. Concentration. Panelle is a chickpea fritter, a bit like the Ligurian farinato, I think. This is the first time I've tried it. And it's kind of looking like that too.
I'm prepared to eat a sandwich with panelle and croquet. Uno, due, tre.
I saw the guy eating it with lemon, so I thought.
So it's a polpetta with chickpea flour, onions, prezzemolo, that's parsley. Delicious.